How to make a sliding shed door. A sliding shed door is easy to build and easy to use. These doors are usually mounted by means of rollers that are attached to the door and hang on a track that is fastened above the doorway. This step-by-step guide will allow you to create a sliding shed door. Things you will need: exterior plywood, 1x6 planks, 1x4 boards, saw circular or hand, exterior screws, drill, tape measure. Measure the door opening and add 6 inches to the width and height. Cut a piece of exterior grade plywood to the dimensions calculated in step 1. Cut planking to the height determined in step 1. Apply vertical planks to the front of the plywood. Start by centering a plank in the middle of the door. Attach the planks using exterior screws, placing 2 at the top and bottom of the plank and 2 more in the center of the plank. Build the frame around the perimeter of the door face by applying 1x4 boards on top of the planks. Screw a barn door handle onto the door about 3 feet from the ground and about 6 inches from one side. Attach the rollers to the plywood on the back side of the door. Some only require screwing into the plywood while others require passing a bolt through a hole drilled in the door and fastening it with a nut and washer.